Today we're making birthday cake popcorn. Today we're going to be making birthday cake popcorn. And to do that, we're using this birthday cake gold medal glaze. And what we're going to be doing is using 1.5 tablespoons of this. This is like a concentrate of birthday cake flavor. This is the no color version, so it's just white. We're going to use 1.5 tablespoons of this. We're also going to be adding these sprinkles to it as well. We're going to be using this entire bottle of sprinkles. We're also going to be using 1.5 tablespoons of this compound S to help the sugar stick to our corn better. And we're also going to be using 1.5 cups of sugar. So we'll get this kettle fired up and we'll start adding our corn and oil. 1.5 cups of corn oil, 3 cups of corn. We're making this popcorn today in our kettle corn machine. We made this kettle corn machine. If you want to make one of these for yourself, there's a link down in the description to plans on how to do that. There's also a link in the description for our free Popcorn Genius recipe book. So check that out. All right, we're starting to pop there. We're going to be adding 1.5 cups of sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of compound S, and 1.5 tablespoons of birthday cake flavoring. See that foam up like that? That compound S helps that sugar to stick to those kernels and it foams up. Oh, you can really smell that birthday cake. That smells good. Just a reminder, there's going to be links down in the description to all the products we're using here today. Oh yeah, you can really smell that. It's starting to pop really good now. All right, we're going to start to add our sprinkles now. We're going to dump them right in. Yeah, look at that. Look at how colorful that is. That looks so good. We're going to mix that around. We have our portable sifter here we got from kettlecornmachine.com. That's going to help us get those unpopped kernels, or gold maids they're called, out of the mixture. Oh yeah, look at that. Look how nice that looks. Let's take a couple pieces. Look how cool that is. We didn't even have to color this one. You can. We could have added coloring to it, but we really don't need to. It's birthday cake, and it adds some very festive sprinkles on there. It looks really good. Let's go ahead and give this a try. Oh yeah, tastes just like cake. Tastes just like birthday cake. That is so good. It makes me laugh because this is the fun part about making popcorn, is like making popcorn taste like all these different things, and this one is really, really good. You can make this too. Remember, there's links down in the description of all these products we're using. So get out there and get popping.